And as businesses, especially hotels, still struggle to recover and reopen after severe damage from Hurricane Melissa, the Dream Weekend Party Series is also being hailed as a saving grace. More in this report.
Still under the heavy hand of Hurricane Melissa, 9 months after the Category 5 system barreled through the island, some hotels in the second city of Montego Bay, St. James remain shuttered. But with popular entertainment event Dream Weekend finding a new home here, President of the Chamber of Commerce Jason Russell says it's giving many small entrepreneurs new hope. And so he's urging business operators to make the most of the available opportunities.
It's not Dream going to bring people to your business, you have to bring the business to the Dream patrons. There are a lot of them on the road. I see a lot of tourists walking. I see a lot of locals from out of town in the city, eating, drinking, buying stuff, last minute items, going to the beach. So it's up to us to capitalize on it. And what we see so far is good news. I see a lot of people within Pier 1 right now eating and drinking and having a good time.
For State Minister for Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delano Sivrite, the party series is timely.
Dream Weekend really continues to demonstrate that entertainment is a major economic industry. It generates businesses not just for hotels, Airbnbs and restaurants, but it also provides for transportation providers, event suppliers, retailers, vendors and businesses of every size.
A lot of the major chains are still closed, but we're happy that Dream pushed on and they're filling the Airbnbs. I'm sure we would have liked to have had all the rooms back up. I'm sure we would have liked to see an extra couple thousand tourists coming, but we're working with what we have. And if last night is any indication, it's going to be a wonderful festival. And I can't imagine how next year is going to look.
And Mr. Russell says patrons are already asking about bookings for next year's staging of the event. Dream Weekend kicked off in Montego Bay on Thursday, July 30 and will end on Monday, August 3, 2026. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.